I've been holding off on these. I got two more of these. Well, one after this, but two more total. These 33-ounce Giant Eagle sparkling seltzer water. This one's lemon lime. I forget what the last one was. It's been so long. I haven't drank for 2 hours in preparation for this. Thumbnail. Oh, there you go. I figure one of these thumbnails are bound to get me like 1 million views. That's my goal this year. I'm gonna get 1 million views drinking some water. That's what we've always wanted, huh? So we'll open it here at the 40-second mark, let it fizzle. All right, can you hold this, honey? Hold on to that for me. She's not hungry today yet. You hungry? You are hungry. Oh my goodness. All right, we'll start in a minute. Oh. Oh man, that's rough.
Water. Water.
Oh. Man, what they use a whole CO2 cartridge on this. Ugh. Almost halfway. I'm not built for this.
Daddy. Gone.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying to make it gone so you can throw it in the garbage. Oh, I'm not failing though. I'm probably gonna feel like crap.
Gone.
Not yet, almost. Fridge makes a weird sound whenever it does ice.
Ice.
Oh.
Ice.
Woo, I felt terrible until I let that out. Yeah, I had like a weird feeling there. It's like, man, I'm either gonna hop chuck or something. It's almost gone, honey. Whew. That was epic. Wow. Ah.
Gone.
Almost. Oh, see the finish line? Yeah, I thought for sure it was coming back up. Like, I haven't done anything yet that made me think it was coming back up, but I'm pretty sure right there, if I wouldn't let that go, I was feeling clogged. Ah. Ah. Gonna finish before 4 minutes. Ah, gone. All right. Thank you. Man, I'm looking rather muscular from this angle. Oh, I feel another one. Just getting it there. Daddy's got a burp. You want a chug? Here, here's your drink. You chug. Oh, I gotta stand up. Oh, man. Oh. Whew. That felt good. Oh, man, I've never felt that before. Carbonation is so insane. Oh, I better drink some actual water. I don't feel like drinking anymore, but I gotta do it. Thanks for watching. Okay, goodbye.